7 of the rows on this statement renew every month, and not one of them looks like a problem. That is the whole trick. A statement is a list, not a sum. It shows you 1 month at a time, in the order the money left, so the yearly total, which is the only number that would ever change your mind, is not printed anywhere on it. This file prints it. 22 recurring charges from the sample household, every one restated as what it truly costs in a year. $3,185.47. That is $265.46 a month, and 5.46% of a $4,860 take-home. By the end of this, you will have every renewal dated before it lands, the free trials counted down, and every charge ranked by what it costs per use. The file is linked below if you want to follow along. Excel, Google Sheets, and Apple numbers, same workbook, for themes in the download. Every charge, priced by the year. You type each one once. What it is, what it costs, and how often it bills. Monthly charges are easy arithmetic. The row that catches people is this one, because it bills every 4 weeks. 4 weeks divides into a 52-week year 13 times, not 12. So it is $363.87 a year and not $335.88. That is $27.99 nobody budgets for, because a monthly budget only has 12 boxes. And the file proves it twice, because its own payment calendar independently lands 13 dated payments. 22 of 22 rows agree with their calendar. The renewal that ambushes you is almost always an annual one, because you agreed to it 11 months ago and nothing reminds you. The renewal radar dates every charge for the next 90 days. 57 payments, $909.87, sorted by the days you have left. Top of the list, $139, 11 days out, flagged at 30 days, again at 14, again at 7. 11 days is enough time to decide. The morning it posts is not. Same idea, different clock. A free trial is a subscription with a delay on it, and the delay is the product. Free trial watch works out the day it converts and the days you have left. This household has 2 running, and the nearest ends in 4 days. If both ran to term, they would add $275.76 a year, which is why neither is counted in any total until it charges. Here is the tab nobody else in this aisle builds. Each week you tick what you actually used. 13 weeks of ticks, 257 of them in the sample. The file divides that window's cost by the uses, and the ranking that comes out ends the argument. This service is $14.99 a month. It was used once in 13 weeks, so it costs $44.97 every single time somebody opens it. $14.99 is the number your brain forgives. $44.97 is the number you cancel. Cancel candidates is not a hand-picked list. It is every charge whose cost per use came in above the $8 line you set on setup. For charges cleared it. Together they are $683.04 a year, or $56.92 a month. The fifth worst is $7, so the shortlist stops at 4 with clear daylight. Now the part most people get wrong. Knowing the number does not cancel anything. There is a gap between seeing $683.04 and actually canceling 4 services, and nearly everybody stalls in it, because canceling feels permanent. So the file gives you somewhere to do it that is not permanent at all. What if you mark a decision beside each candidate, keep or cancel, and nothing anywhere gets canceled? It is paper. But the year moves while you are looking at it. Mark those 4 as cancel and the subscription year falls from $3,185.47 to $2,502.43. $683.04 back. $56.92 a month, freed. 5.46% of take-home becomes 4.29%, and the file names where that money goes. $56.92 a month is a $1,000 emergency fund in 18 months. Statement Finder. You paste your own card rows in, straight out of your bank's export. The file matches them against the charges you already typed and tells you which ones it has never seen. In the sample, 18 rows pasted, 13 matched, 5 did not, and 2 of those 5 had appeared more than once. Those 2 were real recurring charges nobody in the house could name. $227.88 a year. Nothing is fetched and nothing is connected. 3 honest answers before you go. Does it connect to your bank? Never. No login, nothing to link, and nothing leaves the file, which is why it runs the same in Excel 2016 and newer, in Google Sheets, and in Apple numbers. It uses no dynamic array formulas, which is what breaks other templates outside Excel. Not a spreadsheet person? You enter 1 row per charge. The other 9,913 formulas are already written, and it ships filled in so you can see what finished looks like. New charge next month? 1 row. If you have been meaning to audit your subscriptions for a year and never have, it is because the number was never in front of you. This puts it there. $19.97 once. Instant download, 18 tabs, for themes, Excel, Google Sheets, and Apple numbers. The link is the first line of the description. Go price your own charges tonight. There is a whole shelf of these. Bill trackers, cash envelopes, expense trackers, and the paycheck budget that started the shop. The next one is on screen. Thanks for watching.